Anyway, we're here, right now, starting up a new series on request of one of you, if you want me to make a video showing off my airsoft guns. Unfortunately, I only have 2 out of the 4 here. The other 2 are at my dad's, so I figured just to make one video for one gun, and then just do it from there. So today we'll be doing this gun, the little rifle, but it's supposed to be like a semi-rifle, but it can only shoot one at a time. Now, so this is the clip. The ammo just goes out there, but you have to reload it, so that's out. But also, extra storage is there, but once this goes out, after reload, you just do like that, because there's a little hole there. Or, what you can do is just take them out and put them in that hole right there, which is just easier to pull this back and just shake. There's this that comes with it, which is a little, which just goes like that. In order to undo it, you just do like that. So just press this down, then pull that out. Just put this and push that in. So this is the part that shoots. Just pull this back, and this part back, and then shoot. Now, I hear some ammo in it. It's not that part. See, yeah, just somewhere in there. It's just messed up. Mine is. So this one, this one, just no. This one and this one is just the same. This is safe. That's in safety. Alright. So let's put it all together. It kind of looks like this. Now you can't have this all the way up like that, but I prefer to have it all the way like that, because that's just me. Anyways, so that's that other soft gun. 3 other videos in this series along the way. See you next video.